So we stopped here as we were going up to one of the lookouts, and we found Coffs Harbour treetops, it's called. So they do 2 sessions a day. I've got a photo of the price list on there. Takes about 2.5 hours to do one of the courses for kids and adults. They've been open roughly 4 years, they were just telling me. So this is all brand new. I've never ever seen all this before, but it's pretty cool. But I'll give you a beautiful look around in here and come and check it out. It looks pretty cool. Just hopefully not scared of heights. So you got these bits here that actually walk over the top of the road and goes around. Then you zip lining through the trees down over that way. Should go back over near my car or the cars. So that's pretty cool, and I took a bit of other footage. Obviously it goes a fair way into the bush and that. And check out some koalas and other animals as you're walking through in some spots and climbing over things in others. So yeah, check them out. Coffs Harbour treetop. And you got little obstacles you've got to step on each pole. This is pretty cool. Obviously you're cabled up to everything the whole time. So it tells you how to put them on. These are the junior ones, 3 to 7. Their little path through. Hooked up the whole time. Goes all the way up the trees as well. Not allowed to walk in too far, so just take what we can. Little spider web up there that it's classed as, I guess. Which is pretty cool. Some of the animals you'll see on the courses, hopefully. So we've kept going and we're up at the lookout now, and I've just found a little walking trail that I never used to have. It takes about 15 minutes, about an 800 metre loop I think it was, and you can just wander around through there. Hopefully see a bit of wildlife and take some photos of this beautiful view. So I'll give you a look at that in a minute. You just walk back over there. They've got these nice table and chairs area just down the bottom, which is all under shelter. Really nice spot. We've done a lot of work here from the last time I was here many years ago. So let's head on over to the lookout and check that out.